Hi, my name is Larissa Manning. I wanted to share a little bit about our upcoming program that DLM is doing with Onside. It's one of the Start Now programs. It's a new program called Foundations for Impact. We're really excited about offering this program for Canadian women who really see a community need and want to use their business and business to drive impact. This program starts on February 8th, and we're still accepting applications. So we'll remind you at the end of this brief info session of how you can register and get signed up for the program. So just a little bit about DLM. We work with businesses to really help create thriving communities and help them navigate change as your business evolves. So really by building foundational assets, what we find is as we work with businesses, this gives them more clarity and confidence as they grow their business. So my name is Larissa Manning, and I'm one of the principals of DLM. My colleague Lauren Sears will also be with us for this program. So I'm just going to share a little bit about why you should take this course. So during this 12-week program, we'll provide you with the tools to really help you grow early stage businesses. We know that starting a business is both exciting and scary. I found personally as a business owner, I've owned several different businesses over the years, that one of my businesses, I had over 10 staff and hundreds of clients, that the one thing that I found was that it was lonely. You may have all these staff and clients or customers, but staff definitely have a different investment or skin in the game oftentimes. So what we want to do with this program is to not only give you the tools to purposely and thoughtfully grow your business, but also connect you with other business owners who are going through the same things as you. We'll help you build a solid foundation from which to create and grow a successful business to really be able to create that impact that you're hoping to create. So a little bit more about DLM. We work with both for-profit and non-for-profit businesses or organizations, and we found that regardless of whether they're for-profit or non-profit, we see the same, some of the same issues showing up. So really, these foundational assets that we're looking to share with you really help create that solid foundation for you. So I'll chat a little bit more about that. So what exactly do we see when we work with businesses? Oftentimes, businesses fall over due to a lack of clarity of who they are, why they exist, and who they're serving. And even when they have some of these things identified, it's in the actual implementation where things sort of go sideways. So really getting clear on who you are, what your business, why your business exists, who are you serving, is really going to help you drive your business forward. So we really help you build out that strategy, and then we'll be showing you how to actually implement on those various pieces that you create. So what is it that you're going to learn in this program? So as I said, this is a 12-week virtual program. And during that 12 weeks, there'll be 6 live virtual facilitated learning sessions with a community of women entrepreneurs. Lauren and I will be hosting and facilitating your sessions. We love hosting sessions and engaging and interacting with various business owners. So each live session is going to be an hour and a half. And then in between, so it's 12 weeks, even though we only have 6 sessions. So the in-between week, as we're calling it, the week when there isn't a live class with us, we're calling those working weeks. And we've incorporated those into the program. And the expectation here is within the working week is for you, you're the founder, to work on the concepts that we've covered in that previous week. So the founders will be expected to come with the work completed back to the group each following week. So we've run tons of programs for founders and for teams. And what we found is people are super gung-ho in the actual sessions, but then life takes over. They go back, the business is busy, and they really don't take the time to actually implement. So that's the reason why we find that these working weeks are so important. We want you to actually start to apply the pieces that we're teaching you so that at the end of the full 12 weeks, you come away with a full toolbox full of pieces that you're able to apply and learn with your business. So it's not you've done the 12 weeks and then you need to go away and start to try to apply these things. And if you are a business owner and you do have team members, we invite you during those working weeks to share this information with your team members. And then finally, one of the other pieces that will be incorporated into this 12-week program is a self-directed accountability group, which will also take place during that off week. So the members of the group will come together and ask each other questions, maybe share stories, maybe help each other as they're working through different pieces. This really helps to keep you engaged and to not feel so alone in building your business. So what are you going to learn over this 12-week period? So as I was saying, we're going to introduce methods or frameworks week over week that will help you implement in your business. We'll be starting with envisioning the business that you actually want to have. And then defining your impact. So what is the impact that you want to have as an organization? And then we'll start building out some of those foundational assets. And then once we've built some of the basic, maybe not so basic, but some of the primary pieces, we'll start looking at creating the principles or beliefs that really are going to help guide the behaviors of your business. So as you start to grow a team, what is it that you want that team to look and feel like? How do you want to show up for your clients, for your customers? How do you want to show up for yourself on a day-to-day basis? And then we'll be tying back all those fundamental or foundational assets back to what is that actual problem in the market that you're trying to solve and what is the gap that you're looking to serve. So that's really the program over a 12-week period. We are really looking forward to getting to share some of the tools that we found that work really well and help businesses really excel as they grow. Laura and I have worked with businesses where we're really helping them scale and grow. But one of the questions that we've always asked is, well, how do we get businesses to scale and grow? And what really needs to happen there is we need to start to focus on early stage businesses such as yours and really creating those foundations so that when once they have those foundational pieces in place, then they are able to start to really get their businesses off the ground, take off, and when we can start to work on what scaling actually looks like. So just a little last slide is really on DLM, and DLM stands for Dream, Learn, and Manifest. So really when we're talking about the dream aspect, we're really helping you get clear on what you want to accomplish and what change or outcome you want to achieve through your vision. So really, what is that initial vision that you as a founder have for your business? And then this program will be helping you really learn. So what is it that you need to know? So we've identified some of the concepts that we think that you need to know for building those foundational pieces, helping you find those right skills and systems, and really helping you build those structures to build impactful organizations that are then able to scale. And finally, with Manifest, we will work with you to create really those conditions. So during this 12-week period, what are those conditions to put the plan into action, and including, most importantly, getting into that right mindset. So we're super excited, as I said, to be able to share really this Dream, Learn, Manifest style of programming with you over the next 12 weeks. So if you're interested in signing up for the program, here is the information. So again, it's the Foundations for Impact through the Start Now program with Onside. Applications are open. The program starts on Thursday, February the 8th. And you'll find more information on this program in the information below this video. But the website to go to is startnowincubator.ca/foundations-for-impact. We look forward to seeing you in a few weeks and getting to learn more about your businesses. Thank you.